We are big fans of new ideas, so we're always on the lookout for cool gadgets and tech that make us go wow. We're not fussy, either. It could be a sound system, an intelligent exercise bike, or even a pair of smart trainers. In this video we picked the 10 best crazy gadgets available in the market. We make this list based on our personal opinion and customer reviews. If you want more information you should check the links in description below. Okay, so, let's get started with the video.
With Bluetti EP500, the trouble of power outages never bother us. The integrated UPS function of EP500 can automatically power your home appliances in the blink of an eye when the power outage occurs.
6,000 plus cycle time life lithium iron phosphate battery built in, features 5,100 watt-hours capacity.
Makes you feel at ease under any circumstance. Bluetti EP500 also features continuous 2,000 watt output, surge up to 4,800 watt. Is that all? No, it's far more than that. We have another EP500. Connect the cable into communication interface first, then the AC output port. Finally, come with a split phase box. The output power will boost to 4,000 watts from 2,000 watts, and the output voltage will change from 120 volts to 240 volts.
Your fingers are powerful enough to control different devices. But they also have limitations, especially when you cannot touch the appliances. What if you had a remote finger? Introducing Adaptrox Fingerbot. Fingerbot is the smallest robot in the world for controlling all kinds of buttons and switches remotely and smartly. No expensive replacements required. All your existing appliances can become smart devices in seconds. Stop worrying about whether you forgot to turn off the lights. The robot is super easy to attach to any surface. With our app, you can control any device remotely with your fingertip. Fingerbot can drive your robotic vacuum, activating it whenever you want, and turns on the computer for remote access when you are away from the office. Fingerbot also works with voice assistants like Google Home and Alexa. Hey Google, turn on the TV.
Okay.
So easy. What if you feel too hot after exercising and want to turn on the air conditioner before you get home? Adaptrox Bridge can bring all your Fingerbots online, allowing you to control them from anywhere at any time.
Perfect eggs your way with the DashGo Rapid Egg Cooker. Make 6 eggs faster than you can boil water. Fill the measuring cup with water to the hard line. Pierce the larger end of each egg with the pin attached to the measuring cup. Return the lid and turn on the egg cooker. When the LED light automatically shuts off, the eggs will be perfectly hard-cooked. Make perfectly poached eggs. Fill the measuring cup with water to the medium line. Break an egg into each poaching section. Return the lid and turn on the egg cooker. When the LED light automatically turns off, the eggs will be perfectly poached. The perfect omelet is now straightforward. Fill the measuring cup with water to the medium line. Pour it onto the heating plate. Then add the fillings and the whisked egg. Return the lid and turn on the egg cooker. When the LED light automatically turns off, we'll have a perfectly fluffy omelet.
Airwheel R6 is a smart motorcycle that allows free and casual travel in the city. It is not only small in size, but also able to travel flexibly in the streets and alleys. It is also designed with an electric folding body. The folding process is very simple. It only needs to press a button to make the main frame automatically shrink expand, and then fold the handlebars to rise. It has 3 modes to choose from: electric vehicle mode, electric assist mode, and bicycle mode, which can be selected according to factors such as current endurance requirements and physical fitness. The top speed can reach 25 km per hour. The battery adopts a pluggable design and is equipped with multiple batteries to achieve battery life upgrades. The battery life can be up to 100 kilometers in electric assist mode.
Introducing the Cesar Auramate Pro. Not only does it have all the features of a scanner that you'd ever want, it can also connect to your smartphones and tablets for wireless scanning. And its dual cameras make it the best device for business meetings, working from home, and online teaching. With 16 megapixels and Sony sensors, the Cesar Auramate Pro offers you premium scanning quality. Featuring Cesar's patented curve flatten technology, so you can scan any book and get absolutely flat scans. You can connect wirelessly with your smartphones and tablets, so no extra cables needed. The Sony sensors create scans with more vivid colors than ever before. With its amazingly accurate OCR, it recognizes more than 180 languages, turning your scanned pages into editable files. You get the blazing fast speed of scanning 1 page per second.
This is the Dash Safe Slice Mandolin. Mandolins are essential in any professional kitchen because of the way they guarantee uniform cuts and unparalleled speed. And this isn't just about making the food look pretty. Even cuts mean even cooking results. But until now, mandolins have been incredibly dangerous with an exposed blade that puts your fingers and hands at risk. Now, with the Safe Slice Mandolin, you can have all the benefits of a mandolin without any of the danger. The Safe Slice Mandolin provides a safer way to cut like a pro. Simply open the stand until it locks into place, and then dial in the cut you want. Our design prevents your fingers from ever going anywhere near the blade, making this mandolin the safest option for an expert slice. And with over 30 different cuts, you can effortlessly slice, julienne, mince, and much more.
Your outdoor siren is used to alert people outside during an emergency. When your Ring alarm is triggered, the outdoor siren will sound a loud siren and the red LED lights will flash. You can adjust the siren volume and duration or silence it so your outdoor siren only flashes when alarming. When your outdoor siren is not alarming, it still lets everyone know that you have a Ring alarm security system inside. The outdoor siren also has a dusk to dawn feature. Turn it on, and the Ring logo will gently glow all night and turn off in the morning. You can power your outdoor siren using a variety of power options, including 3 D batteries, which come with your outdoor siren, and a quick-release battery pack, with or without a solar panel. Your outdoor siren can also be hardwired, or you can power it using the 2nd-generation Ring plug-in adapter. Please note that if you plan to use the Dusk to Dawn feature, you'll need a second power option in addition to the D batteries included.
Hi, I'm Kat Reinhard, and I head up the creative team here at Dash, and I'm coming to you from my home in Brooklyn to show you how easy it is to make delicious, perfectly buttered popcorn right at home. With the Smart Store Stirring Popcorn Maker, crave-worthy popcorn is ready in minutes. Simply add oil to the cooking surface, measure out your kernels, attach the bowl, and flip the switch. The automated stirring bar ensures kernels are popped to perfection, and the heating vents on the top of the bowl double as a melting tray that adds in butter as you cook, ensuring every bite is buttery and delicious. Once your popcorn is done, snap in the lid, flip it over, and detach the bottom for a bowl of fresh popcorn ready to enjoy right away. From caramel corn to white cheddar to popcorn trail mix, experiment and expand your horizons with our tasty included recipes.
The Bose Portable Home Speaker is a wireless home speaker, a portable Bluetooth speaker, and a voice-controlled smart speaker all in one. Begin by connecting one end of the USB-C cable into the power port on your speaker. Connect the other end into the power supply and then plug it into a power outlet. Please note, you can also charge your speaker with the optional Bose Portable Home Speaker charging cradle accessory. The power light will pulse white to indicate it's charging. Once the power light glows solid white, your speaker is fully charged and can provide up to 12 hours of audio playback. For the most functionality, we recommend downloading the Bose Music app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Sign in with or create a new Bose ID. From the My Bose screen, tap the plus button. Your device will begin searching for your portable home speaker. Once you see your speaker, tap Add Product. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your speaker to Wi-Fi. Name your speaker. Set up sharing settings, and add any compatible voice assistants in your region. Your Bose portable home speaker is now set up. For additional support, visit our website